Welcome to the January 2024 issue of Onsite Installer. On the cover, meet Rick Jonas, the man behind A Affordable Septic Service in Oregon. With a focus on large-scale systems for parks and vineyards, Rick's crew, armed with top-notch equipment, thrives on efficiency and quality. Learn their business philosophy and how they've become the go-to in Oregon's Willamette Valley. Gear up for the 2024 Wet Show, your gateway to industry advancements, education, and networking. Discover insights on trends affecting septic system design, workforce challenges, and environmental responsibilities. Unlock the secrets of efficient effluent distribution with non-electric devices. Join Sarah Hager as she delves into the evolution of siphon technology, offering practical insights for designers and installers. Explore applications, installation keys, and a flout alternative for optimal performance. In picturesque Bridal Falls, British Columbia, Canadian Septic faced a unique challenge when Trans Mountain Corp needed its on-site system moved for a pipeline expansion. James Stixma, owner of Canadian Septic, shares the intricate details and challenges, featuring advanced equipment and a hillside drainfield solution. Dive into the legal tangle as Geomatrix LLC faced off against NSF International, alleging a conspiracy that impacted its geomat leaching system. Uncover the court's ruling and the implications for Geomatrix's claims. Join Craig Saprikan, owner-operator of All Around Septic Services in Slocum Park, British Columbia, for a behind-the-scenes look at the decentralized wastewater industry. From association involvement to the daily grind, Craig shares insights, challenges, and the favorite piece of equipment that keeps his operation running smoothly. Introducing Infiltrator Water Technology's innovative Delta EcoPod N. Learn how this advanced wastewater treatment system, with its fixed film process and nitrogen removal capabilities, is transforming residential on-site systems. Email editor@onsiteinstaller.com and tell Jim about your toughest jobs. Thank you for watching and see you next month.